N8N versus CrewAI. What's the best app builder to use? I'm going to tell you which app builder is the better choice, N8N or CrewAI. N8N is a powerful open source automation tool that lets you build workflows with a no-code or low-code approach. It's great for connecting different apps and automating complex tasks. Plus, it offers flexibility with self-hosting options. CrewAI, on the other hand, is focused on AI-powered workflow automation, making it ideal for creating AI agents that can work together to complete tasks. It's newer but gaining attention for its ability to integrate AI seamlessly. So which one is better? If you need a general automation tool with strong app integrations, N8N is the way to go. But if you're building AI-driven workflows, CrewAI might be better for you.